Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lime milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 fresh limes, 4 scoops of good quality vanilla ice cream, and a half cup of cold milk. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened. This helps achieve a wonderfully smooth blend. Having everything ready makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's prepare our limes. Begin by thoroughly washing 2 to 3 fresh limes. Next, use a fine grater to carefully collect about 1 teaspoon of vibrant lime zest. This adds incredible aroma. Then, roll each lime firmly on your counter before cutting it in half. This simple trick helps you extract approximately 1/4 cup of fresh, tangy lime juice, which is crucial for our milkshake's flavor. It's time to blend everything together for that perfect creamy texture. Carefully add your 4 scoops of softened vanilla ice cream, the half cup of milk, the 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, and the 1 teaspoon of lime zest into your blender. For a balanced sweetness, add 2 tablespoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener. Blend on high speed for about 30 seconds until it's completely smooth and luscious. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your refreshing creation. Carefully pour the freshly blended lime milkshake into 2 tall glasses. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each serving with a thin slice of lime on the rim or a fresh sprig of mint. Serve your delicious milkshake immediately to experience its optimal cold and creamy texture. You can even add a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.